Hi guys, welcome to my channel NHN Games. Today I am showing how to fix the restarting problem on every Android phones. It's a very simple method, and when it's restarting it will get so many problems. So we should fix that. So I am showing here how to fix that. Hope you will like this video. So first we should restart our phone. They will restart automatically, but in the between you should restart your phone by giving command. You should restart your phone. I will show you now. Should restart your phone, and after that it will restart and it will come normally. That's it. Hope you like this video. So please subscribe and click the bell icon and like this video and comment if this worked. Put the comments. Thank you guys.